What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you how to remove scratches from your hardwood flooring to transform it from this into this. Simply using a walnut. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. So we've got some scratches here in the hardwood flooring at the front door. I'm going to bring you guys in nice and close so that we can compare before and after. We've got a scratch that runs from the start of the door all the way down to about here somewhere, and then we've got two deeper scratches that run straight across it. Now we've had a rock stuck underneath the front door and that's unfortunately scratched the flooring. This one here is relatively new, so I don't want to risk putting any stain or chemicals on this flooring here and causing any extra damage. The first place I always suggest to start off with is by using a walnut. Believe it or not, this one here might actually resolve your problem. Using the natural oils that are in this walnut, we're going to try and get rid of these scratches. So we can see a light scratch running all the way across here, and then our two deeper ones running across. Now I'm not sure how well this is going to work on our deeper scratches, but we'll break this walnut here in half so that we can get these juices out nice and easy. We'll start off on our light scratches here. So once again, running along here, and we're going to try and go with the grain as much as possible. So we'll put down some pressure so that we can squeeze those natural oils out of the walnut. And that is looking awesome. You can see right there, well actually you can't see because it's completely disappeared. We'll continue along. We're going to keep losing little pieces of walnut as we go along, but that is completely disappearing. So let's get this lighter one here out first. I'll try keep my hands out of the way as well. I think I might need to replace this walnut because I'm running out. It's completely crushing up. It's almost like a wax. That oil or the waxy substance from our walnut here is going straight into that little scratch, completely covering, masking, sealing, and that is looking awesome. So we'll get rid of this little crumbs here. That light scratch has completely disappeared. I'll grab another piece of walnut and we'll try it here on our deeper scratches. So we've got another piece of walnut. The upside is if you get hungry, you can just eat them as you go along. I probably should have kept that piece. I didn't realize it was going to break that quick. But let's see how we go. Magic, magic, do your thing. You can go in a few different directions. I prefer to go with the grain, but it all depends on the direction that your scratch is traveling in. So that's concealing it nicely. We'll give it another little piece. I probably shouldn't have eaten that first one. That's looking a lot better. I can still see some light marking on those really deep scratches, but that's because it's actually gone into the timber and reduced the amount of wood that's there on the surface. So that's looking really good there. I might actually do one more pass. We'll get our rag and we'll clean all this off. So after using the walnut, we've given everything a little wipe and this here is looking awesome. That was our initial one somewhere along here. I'm going to move in a few different directions to see if you guys can spot it. But that is looking awesome. Especially if I stand up, there's no way you'd be able to tell that there was any previous markings there on that flooring. This can be used for wooden furniture as well. We've got our second little scratch that was along here somewhere in line with that locking mechanism. But once again, a few different angles for you guys. That's looking awesome. This is going to be the safest option here, rather than using any stains that might make everything a lot worse than what you've currently got, using any chemicals that might destroy the layer of coating that you've got on your flooring. This is going to be the cheapest, easiest, safest method to use. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video, you've learned something new and I've saved you some money. As always guys, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.